All right, let's look at the homework 1, problem number 9. All right, so we have a function given, f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 5x plus 9. All right, then we want to find the following expressions. All right, so let's do that. All right, so let's find the part A, f of x plus h. All right, so f of x plus h. So all we have to do is every time we see x, we put x plus h in it. So you have a 2 times x plus h squared minus 5. And I see x, so we put x plus h instead. And then plus 9. All right, then we're going to multiply out 2 times. If you multiply out x plus h, quantity squared would be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. All right, then we can distribute this negative 5 to x and h. We would get negative 5x minus 5h and plus 9. All right, then here we're gonna just distribute 2 to these 3 terms. All right, so we get this is going to be equal to 2 times x squared plus 2 times 2x xh, so 4xh, plus 2h squared and minus 5x minus 5h plus 9. Right? So let's type it in. All right, so we got, let's see, 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 9. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, so let's find part B. All right, so for part B, all you have to do is subtract f of x from the answer from part A. So part B, f of x plus h minus f of x. All right, so this is going to be, so here's the result from part A, 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 9. Then we're going to have to subtract the original function, which is 2x squared minus 5x plus 9. All right, then we can just cancel. All right, so we're going to cancel out. So you have a 2x squared minus 2x squared. All right, and then we have a negative 5x minus negative 5x. And then we have a 9 minus 9. All right, so we have what's left is 4xh plus 2h squared minus 5h. All right, so let's type this guy in. All right, so what we got was 4xh plus 2h squared minus 5h, actually, minus 5h. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, so let's do part C. All right, so part C is just we want to divide part B by h. So let's do that. So f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. All right, so the numerator is the result from the part B. All right, but you notice that every single one of the term has at least one h in it, so I'm going to factor h out. All right, so if you factor h out from there, you have a 4x left over from the first term. If you pull h from 2h squared, you're going to get 2h. And if you pull h from negative 5h, you're going to have a negative 5. Right? Then we're going to divide by h. Right? So you can see that we can cancel h on top and h on the bottom. Right? So this will give us 4x plus 2h minus 5. Right? So let's type it in. All right, so what we got was 4x plus 2h minus 5. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.